Imagine fresh, vibrant vegetables growing not in soil but in thin air. It may sound like science fiction, but it's the reality of aeroponics. This exciting method uses no soil, reduces water usage, and allows for faster plant growth. In this guide, we'll embark on a journey to build your very own Aeroponic Tower, a vertical garden that brings the future of food right into your home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will provide you with all the knowledge and tools you need to create a thriving aeroponic garden. Get ready to experience the joy of growing your own food in a sustainable and innovative way. Aeroponics sounds complicated, but it's really quite simple. Instead of soil, plant roots are suspended in the air and regularly sprayed with a nutrient-rich solution. This solution provides everything the plants need to flourish. Think of it like a gentle mist that constantly nourishes the plants. Since the roots have direct access to oxygen and nutrients, they grow faster and stronger. This method uses less water than traditional gardening and eliminates the need for soil altogether. Before we start building, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Here's what we'll be using. A sturdy tower structure. This could be a repurposed PVC pipe or a stackable planter system. A water pump. This will be the heart of our system, circulating the nutrient solution. Tubing and spray nozzles. These will deliver the nutrient mist to the plant roots. Growing medium clay pebbles or rock wool work well to support the plants. Nutrient solution. This provides the plants with essential nutrients for growth. A timer. This ensures the plants are misted regularly. Remember, quality matters. Choose a sturdy tower structure and a reliable water pump for optimal performance. Now the fun part, let's build our tower. 1. Prepare the tower. Drill holes in your tower structure to accommodate the plants. 1. Install the pump and connect the tubing. Follow the pump instructions to connect it to the tubing and spray nozzles. 1. Fill the tower with growing medium. Place the clay pebbles or rock wool in the tower, ensuring proper drainage. 1. Plant your seedlings. Gently insert the seedlings into the growing medium, ensuring the roots are well supported. 1. Connect the timer and turn on the pump. Set the timer to mist the plants regularly throughout the day. Choosing your airborne allies, the best plants for aeroponics. You know, almost any plant can thrive in an aeroponic system. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are particularly well suited. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley also flourish in this environment. And hey, for a more adventurous approach, why not try growing strawberries or cherry tomatoes? Just remember, avoid plants with large root systems, like potatoes or carrots, as they might not have enough space to grow properly. Troubleshooting your tower. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even experienced gardeners encounter challenges. Here are a few common aeroponic hiccups and how to fix them. Nutrient deficiencies. If your plants aren't thriving, adjust the nutrient solution concentration. Algae growth. Ensure the nutrient solution is covered and the tower isn't exposed to excessive sunlight. Clogged nozzles. Regularly check and clean the nozzles to ensure proper misting. Remember, observation is key. Regularly check your plants and make adjustments as needed. Why aeroponics? A world of benefits for you and your plants. Aeroponics offers numerous advantages over traditional gardening. Water conservation. It uses significantly less water as it's recycled within the system. Faster growth. Plants grow faster due to increased oxygen availability to the roots. No weeds. It eliminates the need for weeding, saving time and effort. Year-round gardening. It allows you to grow fresh produce indoors regardless of the season. A greener tomorrow. The future of aeroponics. Aeroponics is more than just a gardening technique, it's a sustainable solution for the future of food. As our planet faces increasing environmental challenges, finding innovative ways to grow food becomes crucial. Aeroponics offers a path towards more efficient, environmentally friendly food production. Ready, set, grow, your aeroponic adventure awaits. Building your own aeroponic tower is a rewarding experience that combines innovation, sustainability, and the joy of gardening. It empowers you to take control of your food production and connect with nature in a whole new way. So gather your tools, roll up your sleeves, and embark on your aeroponic adventure today.